Trying to install this Blox check engine light eliminator. It's like a spacer for the oxygen sensor. After installing the test pipe, I got the check engine, so I read that it has to be moved a little bit backwards to avoid the exposure. So we'll see. And also I got the modify phone mount, so trying to install both after the oxygen sensor fixed. Spacers, the oxygen spacers already been installed. We'll see. If not, the check engine light's still there. We're gonna reset the batteries, removing the negative terminal. Let's see. So still there, so we're gonna reset the batteries. Batteries reset. We'll see. It's gone. See when it starts. And it's fixed. So it's gone.